Here we have a barrel knife sharpener kit. This is the sharpening side. This actually removes the material, and this is the honing side. It does come with an additional 400 grit, like it's sandpaper, but sharpener basically. You know, it's like metal. And this is what sets the angle. So this right here has 5 different angles. So you have 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20, 25, and 30. You just basically adjust your angle based on whatever you're sharpening. 20 degrees is probably like for a kitchen knife, normal kitchen knife is probably the best, you know, all around angle. So it's real simple to use. If I just take a knife, a lot of people have this knife. What I do is I put it down on the countertop and I move this towards it, right? Then what you want to do is make sure that the bottom of the knife is down, and then you just simply take this. So you do about, I don't know, maybe 9 to 10 passes, okay, on one side, right? Then you take it and you flip it 180, you put it back down, carefully reattach it, and then you do it again. You do your 9 to 10 passes on this side. Once you're done the 9 to 10 passes, you then use the honing side. That does the final like shaping of the blade basically. You do it on both sides, okay? Now I've already done that. I've used it on this knife, and my main knife here. Okay, and it works fine. Now, if you have a bigger knife, so something like a cleaver, so I have this cleaver here. This is, you know, might not work, right? So if this was the countertop, this is down, and you try to use this, you know, it won't reach. So I was actually reading the instruction manual. What you do is you stack a couple cutting boards on, and then you can actually sharpen it. So pretty neat. I like that it comes with an extra 400 grit sharpening wheel in the kit. Thing seems to work fine, and I'm real excited to have it. Check it out. Looks pretty nice. Nice wood. It's got some weight against it. Good.